We do have the installer here downloaded already for Windows, the installer artifact, as well as a config.ini file as an example, as a working example. So I go ahead and install the FCT installer by running as an administrator, accept the commands. That's the default folder. Where I installed it. So by default, the architecture of the tool will be looking like this. If I open the config.ini, we'll be seeing that I do have quite some fields that I need to configure. These ones, I go ahead and configure the same way as the information that I've been provided by Scalefree. So there's this, and so on for the rest of them, as well as the serial number that I've obtained from Scalefree. And then once I'm done with the working config example, then I just run the tool as an administrator. We see the loading, so we are cool with the configuration. And then the progress here is done. I just press enter. Then once I'm done, then I will be seeing the new output folder here, in which I'll be having a DB file. And this DB file is later on is ready to be pushed inside TurboVault. And then once I'm pushing it inside TurboVault, then thanks for your attention.